All right, welcome to the credit game, guys. To all my students who have already been inside the associates and now are saying, you know what, I was a great student, I went through your course, and I'm ready for the next step. This is for you guys, okay? This is also for the people who, first time watching me on here, every day I bring content to you. We're called the credit game, okay? It's like anything in life. When you learn it, you learn how to get really good really fast, okay? But where do you get your education from? There's so many people online and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube that are out there that are spilling all this information about credit, but who do you really trust? Who do you trust when it comes to being your mentor in credit? Okay? I put out the first revolutionarily ever interactive video series that's ever been put out on credit. Why? Because they didn't teach it in schools. No one taught credit in schools. Okay? Mom and dad didn't teach us how to get our credit right. Okay, so what was left to us was basically figure it out. And so what did we do? We waited till we got 18 years old. We got a little $300 credit card, and then we went out. We spent all the money on it. Had no idea anything about credit. We've got some more credit. We ended up screwing up our credit and then having to repair it, right? And that's a normal person, right? Some people actually started at 18 and have never missed a payment ever, okay, and never had any collections. And that's great. But there's a lot of people that believe me, 76% of Americans have something negative incorrect on their credit report. So that tells me that the majority of a population has something that's not supposed to be on their credit report. Okay, that's why I created the credit game. One platform, everybody can get into it. Any questions you have them in there. Now I know who I'm talking to. Okay, maybe you have a bankruptcy. Maybe you have a repo. Okay, maybe you have student loans you need removed. Maybe you have collections, judgments. Okay. Maybe you have check systems you'd like to get removed off your credit report. Okay, maybe you want to start a business in a down economy that we're going through. You want to know how to do that, how to set up an LLC, how to set up a corporation. Okay, how to start a business for under $1,000, how to protect your kids, how to build their credit. Should we go with a credit union or bank? How does money work? Okay, these are just some of the topics that I'm talking about in the bachelor's. Okay, so if you guys know from the associates, just wait till you see what's in the bachelor's. I mean, it is unbelievable the comments that we're getting. And so for you guys that are watching that are already in, you're like, wow, I can't believe he went from 5 chapters to over 20 chapters. This is literally everything that I've learned in the last 10 years. I mean, this bachelor's took months of content to put together. It pretty much covers and encompasses almost anything you can think about credit. Okay, from lawsuits to, like I said, you've got how to remove inquiries fast. Were you a victim of identity theft? I'm doing a video step-by-step, guys, of literally if you're a victim, how to go through the whole process to get that crap off your credit report fast. I mean, this is the real deal, Holyfield. So I wanted to share that with you guys to let you know that it is live. We are crediting the people who came in as the associates and taking that money you already put in towards it and putting it towards your next course for you. That's my early Christmas present to you. So when Christmas comes around, please don't ask for anything because I gave it to you early, okay? And as far as just being a good student and following, it means the world to me. I appreciate that you guys put your trust in and that I could be your mentor for credit and finances as well. I even teach you guys inside this platform literally things like how to take money from your checking account and put it into an IRA or a Roth IRA and how to electronically do that. How to get different savings accounts set up to where it's automation. How to pay automation on your credit. I mean, there's so many tips and tricks. How to get authorized user trade lines for free without having to pay for them. Okay? Why pay credit repair companies when you can do it yourself real easy? I got people that are reaching out to me every day just saying, thanks, man. This is and also, better than that, you actually have me inside the platform all day long. Okay? What I've dedicated my time to is actually taking my time in the day and answering any questions you have. So if it's credit related, finance related, if it's life related, ask your questions inside the platform and it's like having me on call for anything you need. So just put your question in and boom, and then I'll answer the question back for you, okay? That on top of right there, the value of having someone to be able to answer any question you have about credit, finances, or personal is invaluable. So that's my way of showing you guys I care. And again, If you need help, you want to learn, you want to upgrade, call me so we can do this. We're here to help you no matter what. We know what you're going through. We're all going through it. But it's how we come out on the other side, how we deal with it in the present time. So I'm here to help you. Call me at 904-420-7772. 904-420-7772. I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care.